take 2 teaspoons of ghee. Once it heats, we'll add sai jeera. It starts fluttering. Lower the flame and then we'll add spices like cinnamon stick, clove and cardamom. Along with that, we'll add cashew nut pieces. These are the small pieces I'm adding to give the flavor. Saute it then. Let the cashew nut pieces turn into golden brown. It's done. Now we'll add 2 onions, finely chopped. Saute it. Saute it till the color changes. I need slight color change, not totally brown. So I'm just sauteing it. And you can see the color changes in it. Now I'm going to add my magic masala. Saute it till the ghee separates. Let us saute it. You can see the oil separated now. Now I'm going to add a cup of water. Mix it well. You can add the water as per your desired consistency. So this is my way of cooking, and I'm adding a little bit, half teaspoon of salt because the chicken is already marinated. Now I'm going to add chicken. Let us boil it for about 7 to 10 minutes. I'm adding 6 pieces of chicken. I've used only a little bit of masala. You can say 3 or 4 teaspoons of masala. Now I'm going to mix it. Let this cook for at least 7 to 10 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll keep checking. We'll mix it once in 2 minutes so that it won't get burnt. Okay, now I'm covering it. Let this cook. Now this is almost done. Now I'm going to add half teaspoon of garam masala and half teaspoon of jeera powder and 1 teaspoon of coriander or dhania powder. Mix this well. Let it cook for another 2 minutes. Now let us add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Now your chicken green masala is ready.